All right. Hi, everybody. Cody here. If you're tuning in to this video and you don't know who I am or what company we're running, the company is Mortgage Convert. And what we do is we generate leads for mortgage professionals across the nation. And one thing that we provide our clients is this software. The reason why you're watching this video is because you either saw my post or you got an email or whatever the case, maybe requested more information and a demo on this software, because as you can see, our software here is incredible, getting 75%, and it actually averages in between 40, 50 to 60% direct response rates. And what I'd like to do is just kind of go through the basic core functions of this software and then kind of lead into what's being released actually today, and what you now have access to, and for a limited time, the discount that you can get locked in at. And it's an incredible deal. This is a proprietary software. Some really good friends of ours are the ones that developed it, and so we have kind of this exclusive access to these deals here and these features that are going to absolutely change the way your business follow-ups with your prospects and how your team or yourself follows up with your prospects as well. So basically, here's the home screen, and we can see 75% response rate here in Sheila's account. And basically, this is kind of just your dashboard. It kind of shows you what's going on inside of your account. Now, whenever you do sign up for this type of software, especially through us, we provide you some proven templates in the mortgage space that get you these response rates. So whether you're looking for new home buyers or veterans or teachers, or we have multiple different campaigns. I think there's 11 different total campaigns, but it's absolutely incredible. And whenever you go to kind of the campaigns, you see all of them listed here. And whenever you dive into one of them, it shows you exactly kind of what's going on, the stats with this campaign. Now, this is my personal account, and I'm not running mortgage for myself, so obviously there's no stats in here, but it'll show you directly the breakdown. Now, the coolest thing about the software is it's going to call, text, and email every single one of your leads for you and get them to respond. And that's where we end up with the conversation rates of 50, 60, 75%. I'm not sure if you're familiar with the response rates in the industry right now. They're 5 to 10%, and this software is absolutely demolishing those stats. So just kind of how this works is, if you've heard of slide dial, it does voicemail drops. The system does the same thing here, in which it's very easy to come in here and just create new new pieces of your campaign or develop your own campaign. And right here, I would just select voicemail whenever I want it to be dropped in their inbox and how long after they come in. And then I can actually start recording and just record my voicemail right here that's going to drop into their system. Now, you can do this on an automated basis, or you can actually just send off a one-off recorded voicemail or text message or email to your entire list. And that's one of the features being added, is a mass broadcast. So the basic features of this is that you can customize your campaigns. You can do the voicemail drops, text messages, and emails. You can host multiple accounts underneath you. And typically this software, what it's running right now is or what it has been running in cost is $149 per user per month. And now it is going to a one monthly fee, a flat rate, and you get unlimited accounts underneath you. And it's much cheaper. It's actually barely even more than what the current rate is. So we're making a crazy offer, and the discount is for a limited time. But once you get, if you're a branch manager or an owner, you end up having a team underneath you. This is where you can round robin leads out, even from a list that you upload. You can manage all of your prospects, and whenever you actually get into the conversation view, you can see here, you can set your own reminders to remind you to follow up. You can set certain tags if you'd like to filter by a certain certain something, whether you're doing product or realtor versus home buying prospect, whatever the case. You can add different notes in here based on your conversations, and then you have a whole entire messaging board here just to make it easy. The cool thing is that this application also comes with a mobile app that you can download onto your Android or iPhone and use the same features that we're going over today. So whenever you go to the messaging board, you can obviously see all these different things. Now, the things that are being added, those are the basic features. Okay, that's what's been, the call, text, and email, and managing the conversations and stuff like that, and having the mobile app. That's what's already been existing in the software. But what is being added to it is, for one, the ability to import leads. So like with your email, you should have gotten this document here. Or if you saw my post and you're watching this video and you haven't gotten this document, this is a detail of all the current existing features, prices, all that stuff. And to show what our system gets, 70% here. You can see we actually hooked our system up to Zillow leads, and it got 10%, as opposed to our campaigns on Facebook getting 53%, 59%, 47, 53, 70. We completely demolish anything else in the industry. We had over 94,000 leads last year go through the system alone, and 42.5% actually responded. That was on average across 94,000 plus leads. So the stats here are solidified. We have these templates really honed in, and they are proven to work. Now, as you get to the bottom of this document, you see the new packages and features where everything is existing, is still there, but what we are adding in is the ability to do full white label branding, meaning your company logos, whatever the case. If you're an agency owner, then you can do it to your agency. If and all of those white label branding is just really, really, really awesome. So the other pieces that are being added to it is the ability to import leads. Now, that ability is not currently standing, but it is now added to the system, where you can go in and upload your list of leads and assign them to an automation software or a calling sequence or whatever the case. You have the ability to send mass broadcast on either of these outlets here. And a mass broadcast, like just selecting your entire list and doing, a monthly market update on the home market in your area. That was not an ability before. You would have to use your CRM to do that. Now it is an ability. These are probably the two coolest things to be added to it. Is one is a force call, and what that means is if a lead comes in, the system's going to call you, your cell phone, and you're going to press 1 after you answer, and the system's going to automatically dial your lead for you and connect you, which is really, really incredible when we see that it's really tough to just sit there and dial and dial and dial. Just let the system do all of that work now. The other piece is an auto dial to a selected list. So if you have your entire list of prospects and you want to try to call everybody that previously became a lead, but you never talked to them. Maybe you want to call everybody on that list. Well, now you can do an auto dial where you're going to click start. You'll filter that list and get exactly who you want, and then you'll click start, and the system's going to start dialing those leads for you until somebody answers the phone. Like I mentioned, we give you a bunch of templates here, and all the templates that are in the existing package are new home buyer, veteran, healthcare, teacher, professional, refinance, veteran, refinance, and realtor listing campaigns, which is very, very valuable here. And then if you get into what we're adding to the system with this upgrade are USDA campaigns, jumbo buyers, self-employed, construction workers, police, and first responders. It's amazing. Now to what this system costs. What this system is typically going to cost for all of these upgrades, the white label the white label setup with your own branding and unlimited sub accounts underneath you, so that you're not paying per seat or per contact, how many contacts you have in the system. It's literally just one flat rate, which is unheard of in this this software world. And typically it's going to be $190 or $297 for this package with unlimited sub accounts. And each sub account has every feature. And this is very, very valuable to teams or even individuals looking to grow a team, whether you're in the mortgage space or any industry that really has a high volume of leads coming in. This software is going to change the game for you. What's also cool is there's an affiliate commission on referrals, meaning every person that you refer with your link, which is inside the system, you'll see it if you get it, 50% comes right back to you every single month. So essentially, if you're paying $300 and you refer out somebody, you tell a friend or even a family member that has a high volume of leads, and this would help them grow, help them convert more deals, then you will actually get paid 50% ongoing from every single one of those accounts. And there's basically first connection referrals and second connection referrals. So if you refer one of your friends and they sign up, or maybe a colleague, or maybe your branch manager and another branch on the other side of the nation wanted to sign up and get this software, provide them your link so that you get credit for that. And two referrals and you get the system free. And the system is very, very easy to sell. And you don't even really have to sell it. You just show the results, in which there's some screenshots up here of how this stuff works, right? But right now, for a limited time this week, or I'm not sure how long the discount's going to be open. It could be shut tomorrow. It could be shut the next day. I'm not sure at what point you are seeing this video, but we are offering this level of account with all of the abilities that we went over, everything fully automated, customized, the mobile app, the call routing, VoIP, integrations, the follow-up sequence templates, all of these additional abilities here for auto dialing, force calls, ability to import, white label branding, and mass broadcasts, and the extra templates that we're throwing in, is right now offered for $179. And if you sign up now, then you are locked in for $197. I think I said 79, $197 per month. And you're locked in for that. And it's incredible. It can literally change the game for you, getting in contact with over half of the leads that you have in your system or in your database. This can go for realtors. If you're a lender and you get this system and you have unlimited sub accounts, how many realtors would you be able to provide a free account to and get free referrals back from? It's probably quite a bit. It's just a massive, massive, massive value add that is going to be available to you to provide for your customer base, as well as your partner base, as well as make some money on the side if you'd like to. It's obviously not required, but it does help pay, for advertising. Like if you refer 5 or 6 people and they sign up, I don't know how many branches you have in your organization, but if one branch takes it, the rest typically do. So you can end up having your entire advertising budget paid for just from the reoccurring revenue from this. So there's some really, really cool things that you can do with this. I hope you have this document. If you do not, let me know. You can shoot me an email at cody@mortgageconvert.com. And obviously, if you'd like to check out our website, you're welcome to do that. There's a link there for it. But if you are ready to sign up and get this deal, it is limited time, and I recommend doing it ASAP. Then you can click this link right here and go to create your account. Where it's going to take you is to the little sign up here, where you're just going to put in your information here and create your new account. And then after you put in your information here, then it'll take you to the packages. You'll see a 149 package that's still available, which is existing, which I don't recommend because it's not a good deal comparatively speaking to what we just went over. And then you'll see a $200 package, which allows you to have all of those abilities, but no white label and no unlimited sub accounts. But then you'll see the $300 account, which is full white label, unlimited sub accounts, and the ability to make money on it. And it'll be crossed out. The $300 will be crossed out, and you'll see $200, $197, and you can go ahead and sign up using that that selection there, and then you're locked in for life. You've got all of this stuff that we went over, everything for $197 a month, and your entire company, your entire team, all of your realtor partners can use this system underneath you, and you can all make a whole bunch more money because you're getting in contact with probably 2, 3, 4, 5 times the amount of people that you did before. So, like I said, if you have any questions, if you'd like help with setting up some of this stuff or tutorials or anything like that, there is a help center inside of this app here that you can get some tutorials, or if you'd like to, you're more than welcome to email us at support@mortgageconvert.com, and we will jump on and help you get everything rocking and rolling and set up. But I hope you enjoyed checking this out. I hope you jump on this deal because it is literally the best deal that I have seen in this industry in a very, very long time, pretty much ever. And I've been around automation and lead generation for specifically in mortgage for the last 3 years. And as this entire industry is going digital, this is the best deal that you can add to your sales process. So holler at us if you have any questions. Otherwise, we'll see you later.